Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited for this video for two reasons. One, it's a DIY and those are my favorite, and we get to play with all of these pretty things. But also I want to start something a little bit new on this channel. My favorite thing in the world is when you guys comment and find me on Instagram and say hi, or share a picture of like a DIY that you guys made. It just like honestly makes my day, and I just love the community aspect of YouTube so much. I know some people don't care about that and they just like want to see the DIY, which is totally fine. If you're one of those people, just skip ahead. But if you're like me, I love learning about the creator and the YouTuber and just like feeling a part of their community, the people that I watch. So I really wanted to try to like foster a community here because it's just like so fun meeting you guys through the internet. So I don't know exactly how I want to structure it out, but I'm thinking maybe every video, maybe every other video, just depends on how into it you guys are. But I want to have like a question for each video. Maybe it's like a question to get to know me better. Maybe it's a question for you guys to reply about yourselves. Just some sort of question that you can answer down in the comments. And then I think like every video I'm just gonna like pick a random commenter and send them a little goodie for participating, because I think that would just be really fun. So to kick it off, first video doing this, I just want, if you want to participate, if you want to get to know other people here on my little space, just like leave a comment down below saying one or two things about you. I would love to just learn about you guys who are watching this. So I will do it too, a couple things that most people might not know about me. So please leave your comment. For my next video, I will have picked a random commenter and announce it on the next video, then send you a little goodie. And so yeah, I hope that this will be fun. I try to post every Wednesday and Saturday, so be on the lookout for those videos so you don't miss a question. And I really just want to get to know you guys. Okay, so now for the video. I have a white wall behind me because today's video is a DIY to spruce this wall up. I hope it turns out so cute. Today we're going to make a fall wreath, but I don't want like a circle wreath. You can do that if you want, but I like the look of kind of a more triangle. Here is my photo inspo that I found on Pinterest. So I love the look of dried florals and grasses, especially for fall, so that's what I kind of have envisioned for this wreath. Here's my problem though. I live in Chicago and I am so jealous of all the people that I see who are just like, oh, I found this pampas grass on the side of the road and clipped some off. I don't have that here. I'm sure if I went kind of further out, I'd find stuff like that, at least for sure wheat probably. But in the city, there's not just like fields of wild pampas grass around. So I looked into a couple different options of like sourcing some stuff, but it was just gonna be like really expensive. So I went to Joann, Fabric and Craft. Here is my Joann's haul of all my grasses. So if you're like me and not blessed with wild pampas grass growing around you, go check out Joann's because they really have such a good selection at such a good price right now. I'm thinking I'm just going to set the camera back a little bit and just kind of film me trying to put a wreath together. I'm going to start with this stick that I found at our playground. It looks like some kid already took all the bark off for me, which is really nice. Hopefully they don't come back looking for this because they're not going to find it. So I'm just going to use this as our base, and I think I'm going to hang some string on each end to make a triangle. And I think I'm just going to use some floral wire and just kind of go at it, putting together all my grasses along here to try to make just like a pretty wreath. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, so here's my triangle for the time being with my stick. Floral wire, that is a complete mess. Okay, so I'm going to start with the biggest bunches that I got. So I'm going to start with this big dried bunch of grass and put this down on my wreath. Oh my goodness, there's like this wire coiled around this and I cannot get it off. I guess when people buy these, they're not taking them apart. Come on. Okay, so for this, I'm thinking maybe cutting this in half and then putting it like this. Then wrapping wire around the middle like this so that I can put it like that on my wreath. Okay, next I think we're gonna add these fun ones in. Let's take the tags off. Okay, I'm thinking one on each side.
I just want to show you your own.
Okay, next I'm going to add these little guys for a pop of color. I think these will look super cute in it. Next I'm going to add some greenery and some eucalyptus leaves.
Welcome to my channel.
Welcome to your channel.
Yeah.
Okay, so I honestly feel like it's almost done, but I still have these, which I really wanted to use, but I don't want it to be like too much. So I think I'm gonna save the wheat for another DIY I have in mind. And I'm just gonna put a few of these little cute fuzzy things in there for the final touch. You guys, it turned out so good. I am obsessed with this. That is the cutest thing ever. I am so happy with this. Oh, that looks so good. I love it. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please recreate this and tag me in pictures because I would love to see your wreaths, and honestly just make them because they are so stinking cute. Make sure you leave a couple things about yourself down below in the comments so I can pick one of you to send a little goodie to. I will announce that on my next video. Give the video some love if you enjoyed it, and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos from me. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. Bye.
Welcome to my channel.
Your channel? What do you talk about on your channel?
I go to a park.
Oh, yeah. That'll be a good video. Thumbs up if Hallie should make a YouTube channel. Say thumbs up.
How to peace.
Peace.